How will I know that I'm not born again? Number one, you will not love the word of God. 2, you will not cry. You will not pray. 3, you will not love to be with children of God. You will not love fellowship. You will not be able to talk about Jesus publicly. You will have no testimony to share. I've told you before, what is the number one? You will not love the word of God. Your heart will not pound towards the word. You will not have a desire. He said, as a babe's desire, the sincere milk. So there won't be craving in your spirit. No craving for the word of God. You will love to pray. You'll be looking for somebody to pray for you. You won't love fellowship. You see, somebody said, I've given my life to Christ. And they are now looking for you. You were the one who said, now I'm born again. They now say, come to Bible study, and you are telling lies. They even come to your house. Immediately you spot us coming, and you quickly do somewhere. You are not born again, nothing. Have you seen a baby born and is running away for food? Have you seen a baby born and is running away for care? I don't like my pastor. That's an indication that you are not born again.